Hello viewers, welcome back to another video of circulatory system. We know that blood, which is known as the fluid connective tissue, it flows through the blood vessels. So what are the types of blood vessels? These are of three types. These are artery, vein and capillary. Because blood is fluid in nature, that's why it transports blood from one part of the body to the other part through the blood vessels. So we will discuss in this video what is the blood vessel and what is the cross section of the blood vessel. Do you know what is cross section? If you hold any structure and if you slice any structure horizontally, then that is called cross section. It is also known as transverse section. But if we slice vertically, then it is called as vertical section. So we will discuss the cross section of the blood vessels. So let us compare the inner diameter of the artery and the vein along with the capillaries. Artery and vein. I have drawn the outer circle of the blood vessels. This is the second circle of the blood vessel. Third circle of the blood vessel. Fourth circle of the blood vessels. We have to indicate three layers. To draw three layers, we have to draw four circles. First, second, third and fourth. These are the four circles. So between first and second, this is the first layer. Between second circle and the third circle, this is the second layer. And between the third circle and the fourth circle, this is the part of the third layer. Let us know which tissues are contained in which type of layer. This is the outermost layer of the artery and the vein. So we will put it as number 1. This is the second layer, the innermost layer. Already I have drawn the three layers of these blood vessels. Let us draw the capillary. The wall of the capillary is very thin. Why it is very thin? Because it is composed of a single layer of cells. So we will label that as number 3. Now what is common in these three diagrams? Number 4. This is number 4. So I have drawn here outer layer, middle layer and the innermost layer, then the inner cavity, the hollow cavity of the artery and the hollow cavity of the vein and the hollow cavity of the capillary. So the wall of the capillary is thin because it is made up of only the third layer, the innermost layer. So let us know in detail about these structures. The outermost layer, that is called as tunica externa, and it is also known as tunica adventitia. It is made up of connective tissue. Then middle layer, number 2 is middle layer, that is composed of two types of tissues. One type is of muscular tissue, that means it is made up of smooth muscles, and another type is of connective tissue, that means it is elastic fibers. And the innermost layer, that is number 3, that is composed of epithelial tissue. Remember, when the epithelial tissue lines any hollow body organ, that is called as endothelium. So here the innermost layer that is made up of epithelial tissue, mostly it is composed of squamous epithelium, thin squamous epithelium, it is called as endothelium. And the capillary lacks 1 and 2, that means these two layers. So tunica externa is absent, and the middle layer is tunica media, that is also absent in case of capillaries, whereas the innermost layer that is called as tunica interna or intima, that is only present in case of capillary. And the hollow cavity is present in all these three blood vessels because blood flows through these hollow cavities. Now compare the thickness of the wall of the artery with the vein, which is thicker. Can find here the wall of the artery is thicker compared to the wall of the vein. And now compare the diameter of the hollow cavity of the artery and the vein. The artery contains a narrow diameter, that means the lumen is small, it is thin, whereas the lumen of the vein it is wider. So it is narrow here in the case of artery, whereas it is wider in case of vein. In case of capillary it is very small, means it is narrow, and that is surrounded by a single layer of epithelial tissue, that is called as endothelium. Let's sum up about the structure. Number 1, what we have labeled, that is external layer, which is known as tunica externa. Tunica externa is composed of connective tissue. Number 2 is middle layer, that is called tunica media. It is composed of two types of tissues. One is the connective tissue, that is elastic fiber, contains muscular tissue, that means smooth muscles. Number 3 is inner layer, that is called tunica interna. It is composed of epithelial tissue and it is known as endothelium, that is composed of squamous epithelium. Whereas number 4 is lumen. Lumen means the cavity. So this is all about the types of tissues, those are arranged in the inner layer or the inner cavity of the blood vessels. I hope you have learnt it and you can draw the diagram easily. Don't forget to draw 4 circles to indicate 3 layers. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.